Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to give a comprehensive introduction to IELTS, the International English Language Testing System, a test that you may be familiar with because you need to pass this test to get the offer of MTeach. And since the fact that the official IELTS exam use randomly selected questions from its question bank, we plan to select one authentic test from Cambridge S20 to conduct our analysis. Our presentation consists of 5 parts. First, I will give an introduction, then my groupmates will present each part in detail for you. First, let's talk about the intended purpose and test takers. The first one is IELTS Academic. IELTS Academic is intended for those applying for higher education, just like us, or professional registration in an English-speaking environment. If your goal is to pursue a bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degree at a university in Hong Kong, UK, or Canada, this is the version you will need. On the other hand, as general training is designed for those who seeking to migrate to English-speaking country, like Canada, New Zealand, UK, or for secondary education or experience or training programs. Now let's look at the test structure. Listening lasts about 30 minutes, with an additional 10 minutes for paper-based test taker to transfer their answers to their answer sheet. It consists of 4 sessions with 16 questions total, using various formats including multiple choice, diagram labeling, and you will be testing your ability to understand main idea, factual information, speakers' opinions. Reading takes 16 minutes and also contains 16 questions across 3 sessions. The tests range from descriptive, factual to analytical. This session evaluates your skills in reading for grips, identifying main ideas, and understanding logical arguments. Writing is also 16 minutes long and differs from between 2 test versions. For academic test taker, task 1 requires describing visual information, such as charts or diagrams, while the general training candidates write a letter. Task 2 is the same for both, writing a discourse. This session assesses your ability to organize ideas, use appropriate style, and maintain grammatical accuracy. Finally, speaking lasts 11 to 14 minutes and is conducted face-to-face with a certified teacher or examiner. It's divided into 3 parts: an introduction, an interview, a long term where you speak on a given topic using a cue card, and a two-way discussion on more abstract issues. The speaking test evaluates your fluency, coherency, lexical resource, grammatical range, and pronunciation. Behind these 4 sessions, IELTS is built on 3 core constructs. First, receptive skill, listening and reading. Measure our ability to understand, interpret, and get special factual information or main idea from spoken and written English. Second, productive skills, writing and speaking. Assessing our ability to organize ideas effectively and use a wide range of vocabulary and grammar accurately, and communicate with fluency and coherence. Third, most importantly, IELTS measure communicative competence, your operational command of the language. Results range from Band 1, meaning a non-user, to Band 9, representing an expert user. Speaking of the bands, let me explain the scoring system. IELTS use a 9-band scale, including half bands. For each of 4 sessions, these 4 scores are then averaged to produce an overall band score. Importantly, writing and speaking are assessed by trained and certified examiners, not machine, which ensure a more accurate evaluation of your performance. As for results, if you take the computer-delivered test, you will receive your score within 3 to 5 days. For paper-based tests, results are available in 30 days. Now, I'm going to talk about the administration and security. IELTS is available on both paper-based and computer-delivered formats, giving you flexibility to choose what suits you the best. Security is taken very seriously. Measures include biometric registration, fingerprinting, and photography on test day. Strict identity checks with your registration ID and the IELTS results verification service for institution to confirm authenticity. In the test room, all electronic devices and watches are prohibited. You may only bring your ID and water in, in a transparent bottle. Finally, to ensure global security and maintain consistent standards worldwide, else employ sophisticated item banking and randomized selection mechanism, meaning no two tests are exactly alike. Now, my partner will give you a specific analysis of each part of else. Hope you enjoy.